How to use Google Gemini 2.5 Pro. So as you can see, I am using Gemini 2.5 Pro, and I'm going to show you step by step the things that you can do with it. So I'm within Google AI Studio, and then I'm within the chat. Okay, so as you can see, welcome to AI Studio. Over here where we have the plus icon, come and then click on it, and then you have the option to upload a video file. Okay, you can do it from your drive, but come and click on upload file, and then we are going to select a video. Okay, a video that is under 5 minutes, and then over here, as you can see, it has generated the file, and then this is the token. Over here we can come and then ask it to do whatever that we want with the video, but first let's watch the video first. Okay, so this is a full bed that we want to assemble. Okay, so you can record any video just like this and then upload it. And now I'm asking it to watch the video and then tell me what it sees. Then come and then click on the run. Okay, so you can upload any video just like this. Okay, and then ask it to tell you exactly what it sees. So it is saying that it is a wooden bed and then it needs to be assembled. Okay, as you can see from here, and then it has listed the main subject and then everything within the video. So what we are going to ask it to give us is that please list all the things you see in the video. Okay, and then come and click on the run. I want it to say the things, everything. Okay, so from here, as you can see, it has given us that it is furniture and then wooden. It is everything. It is bed, mattress. We have everything here. Then let's ask it to give us a step-by-step guide to assemble the full bed, and then come and click on the run. So when you click on it, it's going to give you a full detailed step-by-step guide. So as you can see, a full detailed step-by-step guide on how to assemble the bed. So what does this give you? It gives you an idea that you can record a video of any challenge that you are facing and then upload it. Okay, so you can also come here and then instead of uploading, just come here to where you have YouTube video, and then you can come and then paste any URL of any video that you want from the platform, just like this one. And as you can see, this is another video of a bed, and then come here and then come and click on the save. So when you click on the save, it is going to look at it. So I'm going to say please watch the video and then tell me from start to finish what you see, and then come and then click on the run. Okay, so it's going to tell us everything about the video, just like how we uploaded the first one. Okay, and as you can see, it is giving us everything in the video as well. And then I'm going to ask it to list all the things that it sees. So please list all the things used to assemble the bed and also where to get them to buy. Okay, and all that you have to do is simply come and then click on the run, and it's going to list all the lists, everything in the video. Okay, so as you can see, this is it, a bed and then everything, and then this is the place that we can get some of it to buy. So you can record any challenge. Okay, and then you can upload it here, and then it is going to help you fix it. So the other aspect is the build. So when you click on it over here, you can build an app. You can build any app with Gemini. I have already built some. Let me show you. So when you come here to your apps and then you click on it, over here you can see that I have an app. So this is a game app. Let me click on it for you to see. It is a riddle game app. From here, I can simply come and then click on the full screen for you to see, and then click on the start. So the question will come, and then the timer. After that, the answer will come if you couldn't answer it. Okay, when you look here, you can share the app, you can download the app, and then you can copy this app as well. I'm having a full video on my channel how to do that app just like this. You can watch it from the channel. Okay, beside that one, we also have the generate media, whereby you can come and then create image. Okay, so let's say you click on the generate image. Over here, all that you have to do is simply come and then put in the prompt of the image that you want to generate. So let's say create an image of a full assembled bed, and simply come and then click on the run, and then you have your image generated in seconds. Okay, so you have the option to come and click on the download button to download it. You can also view it in full image. Over here where we have this, you can come and click on it and then regenerate a different one. You can click here to also delete it as well. Okay, not only images, you can also come here to the generate media as well, and then you can come and then click on the view So when you click on the view, you can come and then create a full AI video of anything, okay, by putting in the prompts. You have the option to come and then select the aspect ratio as well. We have the 9:16 and then 16:9 as well. So these are the things that you can use Gemini 2.5 Pro to do.